Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fanny's. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. So guys, today we are going to be making some mandazis, and after that we are going to be making our dinner, our Friday dinner. So I'm going to do all this with you guys. So I'm going to be making this dough first, and then I'll let it rest, and then after that I'll make dinner, and then I'll cook these mandazis or fry them or put them in the oil after I have eaten my dinner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll consider subscribing. I hope you're going to like it and give this video a thumbs up. I hope you're going to share it. So it is very self-explanatory, and I don't think I'll be talking too much, but let me tell you what I use. I use some margarine, some baking powder, though it is self-rising, but I kind of don't like the measurement that they use, so I prefer adding some little bit, and then I use some salt, sugar. I had 1 egg because I don't like the taste of egg in my mandazis, and then I used, if you have some vanilla essence, you can use them, and also the wheat, of course, so, and then some milk to make the dough. Okay, so that's what I used. If you like that recipe, please kindly try it and let me know down below in the comment section how yours turned out. And also guys, forgive my kitchen, it's kind of in a mess. It's just a Friday night after work. This was the time, so hope you understand. And the kitchen is too small, so I can't like put my camera far from me. I have to manage the small space that I have. Sawa. So let's enjoy the video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed.
So after now making the duff and it is resting, we are making dinner. We will be making spaghetti and mincemeat. So this spaghetti, we are going to mix it with this mincemeat. I saw this recipe today. I didn't know I can mix spaghetti and mincemeat. Actually, I know that I can cook spaghetti separately and then the minced beef stew separately. But today, I'm going to be, if you know, maybe you know it, but for me, like this is my first trial. So I'm going to be making this spaghetti mixed with minced beef, and let's see how it goes. It is very self-explanatory. It explains itself. I hope you enjoy making this dinner, and I hope you try it. And in the comment section, let me know how yours turned out. So I won't be doing much of the talking. So I'm just putting some oil. I already put in my onions and now oil, and then tomatoes, and then I have some green bell pepper I'll put in, and then I'll put in some I'll put in some spices, which will be curry powder, coriander, paprika, and beef Royco cube. And also I think I'll be using, if I'm not wrong, the soy sauce, the dark soy sauce. So it is very explaining itself. So just watch, and wherever you have a question, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be pleasant and I will sure answer you. So guys, here I was just tasting the salt if ilikuwa imetosha, and as you saw I added some. I had forgotten to put in some salt, and yeah, let the food cook.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna
already taken dinner. Now it's time for us to make our mandazis. I'm going to put in some oil in this pan, and then I'm gonna taste it with my wooden rolling stick. Then I'll cook the mandazi just as simple as that. I'm not going to be explaining again, so just enjoy, watch, go and try, and let me know how yours turned out. All right, sawa.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me.